Hello everyone, now I'll show you one of our core technologies, precision spring contact forming. It can be applied to different scenarios, widely used in mobile phone linear models, VCM models, haptic feedback in smartwatches, precision components in wireless earphones, contacts for IC packaging and testing, metal clips for safety AV caster. Technical features: good elasticity, no deformation, no breakage after a million loads. Good uniformity, high tolerance dimensional grade, blanking tolerance plus or minus 0.005 mm. It plays a crucial role in frequent incoming calls and message notifications on mobile phones. Consistently ranked top 3 in China. Received consistent recognition from well-known mobile phone brands such as Huawei, Samsung, and Apple. Above is introduction of Heju's precision spring contact forming technology. Thank you.